National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for southern Choctaw County in southwestern Alabama, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Alabama, northeastern Wayne County in southeastern Mississippi until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of Waynesboro, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Silas around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gilbertown around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Coxie around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Butler around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Choctaw and Washington, and Wayne, Mississippi.